Welcome to Screw the Commute, the entrepreneurial podcast dedicated to getting you out of the car and into the money. With your host, lifelong entrepreneur and multimillionaire, Tom Antion.
Hey everybody, it's Tom here with episode 1058 of Screw the Commute podcast. Today we're going to talk about another AI thing, and I hope you didn't miss all episode 1055, 56, and 57. These are all on really cool, powerful, cheap or free AI tools that are just will blow you away. So today we're going to talk about Minimax. Sometimes you'll see that as Hailuo, H-A-I-L-U-O, I think, for the video portion of it. But right now we're going to talk about audio, and that's what we're going to get into today on text to speech. All right, I hope you didn't miss grabbing a copy of my automation ebook at screwthecommute.com/automate free. Make sure you get version 3.0 and check out my mentor program at greatinternetmarketingtraining.com and my school at imtcva.org, certified to operate by Chev. All right, let's talk about text to speech. So when you go to Minimax, and I think you can get it through that thing I told you about, I hope you didn't miss episode 1055, that was fall.ai, F-A-L.ai, where a lot of these programs are housed. But anyway, if you do go there, you can search for Minimax, or you can just go and search on Google for Minimax and go directly to the program. We like fall.ai because it has a lot of these programs included in a standard interface. So it makes it easy for you to use all these different programs. Anyway, text to speech is you put a script in of whatever you want it to say, and then you can choose the voice you want it to be in. You can preview all the voices, all kinds of voices. You can pick different languages if you want. And listen to this, you can change the emotion of the person to happy or sad or disgusted or sarcastic, all these different things. You can change the speed and the pitch and the volume of them. So Minimax is like super, super fast at doing this. There's a free version that you can do plenty with, and then super cheap versions above that. And just amazing what you can do, and you don't have to use your own voice. You don't have to be seen, and the voices are spectacular, basically, and you have loads of them to choose from. Now, another interesting thing you can do is remove the background of some recorded voices. So let's say you were doing a speech and there was lots of background noises or copyrighted music playing, and you just want what you said. Well, you can upload it to there and it'll remove everything but your voice. It's just amazing. These are all great things. I implore you to go back and start with episode 1055. Anytime you want to get to a back episode, you go to screwthecommute.com/ and then the episode number. 1055 gives you the overview of where you can find all this stuff. And then 1056 was on Nano Banana, which is a great image editor. And it'll create images for you, just amazing. 1057 was VO versus Kling. These are two things that'll turn whatever image you have into a movable video, an actual movable video. All right, and today is Minimax. The video portion of Minimax is called Hailuo. I think it's H-A-I-L-U-O. And Minimax invented Hailuo. So you can check that if you want to do things with video. And I'll probably do another a separate episode on that one. But go check out Minimax, and you play with it. And if you start doing what I'm teaching in the past week, from 1055 to I'm going to do several more this week, then you'll be just freaking amazed at what you can do, the spectacular things you can use to promote your business and to create content and all kinds of stuff for free or pennies. I mean, I've made a video for like 12 cents, all right, that was totally unique with my picture on it. All right, so amazing stuff here. And so if you want help with this and all kinds of other stuff that you need to be successful online, check out my mentor program, greatinternetmarketingtraining.com, and my school, imtcva.org, which will save you a couple $100,000 either for yourself or sending your kids to schools that give them no usable skills and teach them how to protest. So don't do that. imtcva.org. Call me up and we can discuss you or your child's future. All right. Catch you on the next episode. See you later.